Some of the most beautiful handmade games that we've ever had are made by David Levy out in California. This one is a two-man Chinese checkers. Very popular. Good news, see how empty this is? We're getting ready to fill it. We just got a large load, heavy load, wood's heavy, from him today. This is a box of marbles that go with some of the games. And this is a bag of the pieces for the Chinese checkers. What do you have, Easton? All right. This is actually 9-min Morris. Where's the sheet that goes with it? The 9-min's Morris game. All right. My favorite, the Solitaire. This is a very challenging puzzle. You have, if you're not familiar with it, you have marbles in all of these holes except the center one.
We'll show it set up in a little bit.
Yeah. And you jump and take away, jump and take away. The object is to be left with one marble, preferably in the center. But if you can just end up with one marble anywhere, you're doing really, really well. This is another. He does these in 3 sizes. This is the middle size, which happens to be my favorite because I like the size of the marbles that go in there and easy to work with. Here's another one. Okay, this is the small size, probably the most popular size for 2 reasons. It's the least expensive of the 3, and it takes up less room. So if you want to have it on the coffee table, it's probably a better size. Those are all, looks like all bags of marbles that are for the different marble games. I think that's the bottom of that box. And now we're ready for box number 2. This sounds like more marbles. All right.
Looks like 4, 5, 6.
This is Chinese checkers for as many as 6 pieces. Okay. Beautiful woods. And let's see what. Easton, you have another one?
Looks like
Yeah.
6.
Yep, looks like another Chinese checker.
Marbles.
And this is the large size of the marble game. This is for serious marble solitaire players. And now Easton has another one. All right. Beautiful lines of the different woods. Looks like Padauk, maybe Wally, is this Padauk, walnut, maple? And I'm not sure of the others, but I imagine Molly knows them. All right, I think that's it. We're going to get them set up so you can see what they look like with the marbles and the pieces in them. I know you will want to. I know some of you've been waiting for us to get more because you've been waiting on them. They're here. And we're here 10 to 5 Monday through Saturday. Our phone number is 843-842-2280. If you can't wait to get here to get one, you can call us and we can take care of it over the phone.
Okay, Jean and Easton have gotten these new pieces, gotten the pegs and marbles put in, This is the Chinese checkers, which is fabulous. And it has, of course, pegs. I grew up with Chinese checkers that was on a metal board with marbles, and if you shook the table, the marbles went everywhere. I love these with the pegs. Now that can be a very challenging game. This is the medium size of Solitaire. The way this is played is you jump and you take away, and the object is to end up with one in the middle. Very difficult to do. Usually for me, I'm like a 3 or 4 marble left over. And this is the large one. This is about 18 inches, and this has beautiful, beautiful marbles. Two-man Chinese checkers, which is complicated enough. And this is 9-man's Morris. And this is the small Solitaire. That's about 8 inches, I guess, something like that. But anyway, they're really pretty. They're made by David Levy. And I hope you'll come see them. They're hard to get.